Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time using in, at, and on. In, use for time of day. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Also, use in for months. Her birthday is in June. Years, she came to the U.S. in 2018. And season, they go to the beach in the summer. At, for clock time. At plus clock time, she left the house at 9 a.m. Other times, like at night, they watch TV at night. Use on for days. On plus the day, she played soccer on Tuesday. On the weekend, I do my chores on the weekend. For dates, on plus the date, class begins on September 14th. Remember, in, at, and on are called prepositions of time.